Welcome to the Basics of Painting, a series aimed to explain the foundation of miniature painting. During the course of this series, I will paint the Plague faction starter from Mantic Games Dead Zone to give you a better understanding of the complete painting process. I will, to the best of my ability, try to illustrate all the various stages from preparation to highlighting in order to give you the tools you need when you paint miniatures of your own. I hope you will find my videos useful and that they help you better tackle the numerous obstacles you may encounter in this hobby. Thank you.